Hello students, welcome to the world of chemistry. This is Dr. Vikram Panchal and I'm dealing with thermodynamics, and this is lecture number 11. In this lecture I will explain you what is difference between reversible and irreversible processes. Okay, so let us draw a line. One side will take reversible process, another side irreversible process. The first point of reversible process that it takes place in infinite number of steps, very small steps. Irreversible process, the first point is it takes place in a single step. Well, second point, reversible process require infinite time, to occur, because practically it is not possible to gain the initial state from the final state. That is why it requires infinite time. Well, irreversible process required finite time. In a fixed time, the reaction is possible. Next point, it is imaginary. As it assumes the presence of frictionless and weightless piston. For irreversible process, we can say that it is a real process. Why? Because it is normally performed. It is in equilibrium state. At all stages of the operation. For irreversible process, it is in equilibrium state only at the initial and final stage of the operation. Next, all the changes are reversed when the process is carried out in a reversible direction. Here, for irreversible process, once you know all the changes are not reversed. When the process is carried out. Next, it is extremely slow process. The process it is either slow process or fast. It requires fixed time to complete. Here, for this one, the work done is greater than irreversible, while in this case, work done is less than reversible. So these are few points to be discussed for difference between reversible and irreversible processes. Thank you so much.